Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Tuesday, December. Yes, I got it right this time. December 10th, 2024. Heading out to a heat pump service call. This is the same place I was at last summer, where it was a quick cap and go. I actually replayed that video yesterday, I believe. So it was a real simple fix yesterday. I'm sorry, a real simple fix this last summer. Gosh, if I can think. He said he had a problem with his fans not spinning, so we either got a bum capacitor already, or we got a bum blower motor. But we'll figure it out and find out what it is. Is this the right street here? I don't think this is it. I think it's the next one. I'll turn around if it is. Hard to find out which road we turn on here. I think it's the one up here. Anyway, so I'm gonna go out and take care of this guy, see what's going on. And I want to address something as far as my HVAC giveaway. Giving away that refrigerant leak detector. You know, guys are saying that it's fake and that I'm not really going to give something away, and I really take offense to that. You know, I get guys on there saying, you know, just saying nasty stuff. It's like, if you got nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. You know, and I don't say nice things to people, but it's only as a response to something they said to me. I never start any of these flame wars. Someone else starts it, and then I respond, and then they call me a dickhead. What a crazy world we live in. But I'm gonna give that thing away. I think just the next live stream. I'm not gonna get up to 50 entries, which is pretty sad. I'm just gonna take whatever other entries I can get for the next live stream, and at the end of it, when I'm about 5 minutes from being done and I'm ready to quit the live stream, I'm just gonna I'm gonna put all those names in, however many it may be, and draw it out of the hat and get ourselves a winner. And then those guys can shut their mouth. You know, what have they ever given away? I give stuff away all the time. Personally, I don't talk about everything that I give away. So, you know, if you want to come on and badmouth somebody that's doing a giveaway, you know, save it for somebody else, because I don't have time for it. So anyway, yeah, some guy got on there calling me a whiner too. Yeah, I'm gonna whine. I'm gonna tell you that you're an idiot for bad-mouthing somebody that's trying to do something nice. So goes for that other HVAC guy that's got that HVAC channel that tried to start crap too. Just quit it, okay? I'm telling you right now, just quit it. I don't want any part of it. So anyway, head out to this call. I'll get you some shots, and I'll see you out there. All right, guys, what they did here was this isn't tied in at the disconnect, but they ran them both together through this conduit that comes down here, and I believe they landed them on the same breaker. So what was happening is they were plugging this RV in, and it was stealing the amperage, so there wasn't enough amperage for this motor to run. Compressor probably was having issues too. So I'm gonna get my electrician out. Let me show you the panel. So I'm thinking they tied both of them into this 20 amp for the heat pump. That's not going to do it. So we'll just put in another 20 amp single for the RV, and it'll be done for. Good to go, or whatever it takes. Alright guys, just a quick little video on that. So I wish, it's just a customer that didn't know much about electricity, and he wanted me to come look and make sure the heat pump was working. Still going to charge him a service call, but like I said, I'm going to get my electrician out there. He'll just run a dedicated, you just have to put a breaker in and flip and switch that wire over. You know, I'm not going to get into that can of worms with the panel and everything. I could do it. I'd probably do it a little cheaper than my electrician, but I'm going to get him out here. But the focus of this little drive here is I want to show you guys the beauty out here. You know, I showed you this on the other other videos I did, but let me just show you this out here. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna turn right here, even though it's not the way home, and kind of show you guys this real quick. The video doesn't do it justice, that's for sure. But once we flip around, I'll be able to show you pretty much this whole canyon here. It's pretty cool. I live about 6-7 minutes from here, and I don't think I've ever been all the way down this road before. That's just a parking lot down here. So I'll flip around and I'll show you guys what's doing here. Yeah, it's just a little turnaround. Let's go real slow so I can show you. Look at these rocks over here on the right, man. Woo. Cool. This is called Smith Rock, Oregon. Beautiful place. Alright, we'll get looped back around. I think it's pretty cool. Fun. I'm not gonna walk down to a lookout, but there's a tiny little river down there called Crooked River that gets very narrow this time of year. It sits down and built all those canyons. It's pretty cool. See if we can see anything on our. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to get out and just having fun today. You know, it's just kind of little loose ends and stuff I'm doing. You know, once we get within a couple weeks of Christmas, I start getting a little. Well, you guys know me. A lot of the time I don't want to work. A lot of hikers and backpackers and stuff here. People come from all over the area to come just here. They plan their trips around it. So, quite the place. You can hike all the way to the top of those rocks too. There's people that do it. Crazier people than me. But anyway, that's a wrap on this this little video. I'll have a little bit more for you back at the shop, and let you guys kind of know what's coming up. So, thanks for watching.